Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today we're gonna make brioche pizza dough. Hopefully it turns out good, it rises overnight, and tomorrow we're gonna make brioche pizza. I can't wait, this is gonna be my favorite video of all time. Let's go make brioche pizza. So for this brioche pizza crust to take place, we're gonna have to do things a little different. First big change, instead of water, we're going to use milk. Second big change, we're going to add butter. And third big change is we're going to add eggs to the dough. I've never made brioche pizza dough before. I'm really excited about it. I can't wait. Let's go make it. I already added sugar to this milk. Now I'm going to add the yeast. Mix it in. Now I'm going to let the yeast sit and bloom for about 10 to 15 minutes. I have to show you guys, after only 10 minutes, my yeast proved beautifully. It's amazing how it looks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The rest of my stuff is ready. My flour is sifted. Eggs are at room temperature. And my butter is ready to go. So now I'm going to add 175 grams of milk, 5 grams of yeast, and 6 grams of sugar. This is what this mixture is. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs, one at a time. Now I'm going to add 300 grams of high gluten pizza flour. Now I'm going to start adding the butter, piece by piece, till it's all incorporated. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful brioche pizza dough. Getting worked hard in there. It's working hard in there. It's looking beautiful, guys. It's looking golden yellow. Amazing. Very excited over this. I'm very excited about this. Olive oil. Beautiful. Wow, look at it, guys. Outstanding. Wow. It's beautiful. Way better than what I expected. I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight, and we're going to make some beautiful brioche pizza tomorrow.